how to change text-to-speech language in CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, launch the CapCut application in your device and make sure to export any of the video from your device. Once you have it and once you land in your edit page, now what you have to do is tap on this text menu from this menu bar at the bottom of this interface. After that, you will get more options such as add text, stickers, auto caption, and on next to that, there is text to audio. Simply tap on it. After that, you get a text box where you can enter your text. So simply tap on it and then type in your text that you would like to convert it into speech language. Once it's done, tap on done from the top right corner. After that, you get to choose your voice as well. So with this, you can choose your voice as well.
Hello everyone.
Once you select according to your preferences, tap on this done button from the top right corner. Now, this text-to-speech has been applied to your video. If you like to edit this, you can simply tap on this audio and there are more options as batch edit. You can edit caption. You can add style to your text. You can edit the voice as well.
Hello everyone.
You can choose different language as well from this menu box. You can adjust the volume as well. If you like to delete it, you can simply tap on delete and there are more options. You can add speed to this text as well. So with the help of this, you can add this speed. Now if you like to listen to this, there you go.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
So that's how you can change text-to-speech language on CapCut, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.